Alright, hello everyone. We're going to do how to get a lock-on grip onto the left-hand side of your handlebars, because some handlebars come with like a knurled left-hand side. The Pro Taper ones that come on the factory Husky bars don't have it, so you can just slide it over. But in this case, if you were to put a lock-on grip on here all the way loose, it's not going to go in. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some sandpaper. I'm going to use coarse 80 grip and then file it down so that we can get this grip all the way on without messing up the internal locking mechanism in here. Где-то. Perfect, cool. So once you have it filed on, it'll slide on easy. And then you just use that little locking nut there. And you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys.